Allah Azza wa Jal mentioned in the Quran that the most in hatred and enmity to the Muslims are the idol worshippers and the Jews. This is in the Quran. It is not Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. It is something next to it. May Allah liberate it from the oppressors and from our enemies, the Jews. Hold on to. It's in the Quran. Allah tells us that all of their promises are broken. All of the pledges are not fulfilled. This is what the Jews are. This is what Allah tells us in the Quran. So if there is a new sect or cult of Jews different than the Quran, show them to us. But there isn't. And this Quran is for eternity. It's for the day of judgment. Assassinated. The collaboration and the fingerprints of the Jews, the hypocrites, and the Rafidah is evident. And this does not prevent them from collaborating over the centuries to continue their dirty work.